The owner wanted modern contemporary concept. We choose a warm color scheme to create a homely feeling.
One of the special features of this house is a 30-feet TV feature wall that comes with storage and doubles up as a display area.
We use the stucco and the monumental texture for the feature wall in the bedroom and the master bedroom that the owner absolutely loves.
Our customer preferred more storage for the house. We designed it in such a way that the storage doesn't really look intrusive to the whole design.
My name is Leonard Chung.
My name is Fanny Chung.
Thank you for watching.
Design your life with us.